What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add your form made using Contact Form 7 free WordPress plugin into your page using WPBakery WordPress Page Builder. WPBakery is a famous WordPress page builder, a premium WordPress page builder that lots of sites use, and it lets you to add a lot of things on your page easier without coding. So let's learn this. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin, enter with login credentials with your username and password. Then review the left sidebar of menus. Hover a mouse over plugins, hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, search plugins, type Contact Form 7. Here is the guide that I'm looking for. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. This is going to redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins, and you're going to be able to see a new button on your WordPress left sidebar of menus, the Contact button. Here you can find your forms. You can customize the form in the case that you want, but by default we have your name, email, subject, and message, okay? And in the mail form you can customize it as well. There is some message and additional settings, okay? Now, how to add this form into your site? Go to our page, add new, or go to a previously made page. Click in WPBakery Page Builder button. This is gonna redirect you to this editor. You can use both front end and back end. I'm gonna use them both to share with you. First thing, you can select layout. It can be a blank page or your theme layout. This is gonna apply the logo type, menu, footer. Then go to add elements. And right here on content, you're gonna be able to find the Contact Form 7. All you have to do is select the form. You can search a title in the case that you want. And here we go. Here is the form. Let's preview. Here is the form on my page. Simple, right? Now let's try it on the front end. Just like Elementor, WPBakery lets you work on the front end. So same process. Select. Let me just delete it. Content. Select the form. Choose the form. Hit the Save Change button. Close the tab, and here is the form. Of course, you can apply this into some columns layout, in the case that you want. For example, use a row. Click on the columns. Choose a column layout. We have 3 columns, and you can apply the form into one of the columns. Apply content or image into another one, just like this, and apply some image into this other one. Just like this. Let me just make the image bigger by selecting full. And here is our layout with the form. After doing the change in the way that you want, you can enter a title to this page in the case that you want. And publish the page. Now it's all done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!